Do you only want to move when you feel something? Or would you want to rather move in spite of not feeling anything? The crowd shouted, but the donkey carried the weight. You know how the crowd was shouting, Hosanna, Hosanna! Yet the donkey carried Jesus. I want to ask you the question, what are you carrying for God? What are you carrying for God? One thing I can tell you now, crowds disappear because the moment some problem happened, if the Romans would have just used a few spears, the crowd would have disappeared. But yet the donkey carrying the weight of Jesus couldn't disappear without disappearing with God.